Hello, and welcome to the short video presented by Volvo Cars Saint-Léonard, in which we will show you how the sunroof of your Volvo works. For those with a 2022 Volvo model and below, there is a button located right in the middle above the center mirror of the vehicle. To open the cover, slightly grip the button and slide it backwards. Do the opposite movement to close it. For the glass roof, simply do the same movements as for opening the cover. If you only want a small air intake, simply push the button up. On the contrary, to close it, a small downward pressure is needed. Please note that it is possible any time to stop the opening or closing action of the cover or the roof glass by applying an action opposite to the one previously made. We hope that this video has been useful to you and that it may help you in the use of your Volvo. If you have any other questions or topic you'd like us to cover in another video, please feel free to comment down below. See you soon and enjoy driving your Volvo.